another cooking episode. Today is Easter Sunday. Instead of egg hunting, we will just cook colored eggs. This is one of the Pinoy street foods. We call it Qwek-Qwek! For the ingredients, we need water, flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt and pepper, boiled quail eggs, food colorings, vanilla extract, cooking oil for deep frying, barbecue sticks, and more cornstarch for coating. Step 1. Peel these eggs. But wait, before peeling, we need to have this boiled. Okay? Step 2. Mix all the dry ingredients. Step 3. Add water. Mix well. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ano? Mga 1 teaspoon ng to siya.
Nayabo.
Time pa. Ako na lang muna-manaon.
Okay, wala. Make sure. Okay.
Mandok na nung
Okay.
Marag 1 teaspoon na rin.
Gaon na mag-ambak.
Sorry. Since we are trying to achieve colorful eggs, so we will divide this into 3. So we have 3 different colors. We will now add 1/2 teaspoon of coloring in each of those containers. We achieved na po. Daghan siya. Gamay. Hindi mo ka tagaduwa doon.
Sino yung sa red? Huwag green na lang. Kung red green. Para primary colors.
Red kay.
Ang green kay red.
Wow, so nice. Form
Ay, oh, primary colors. Gid siya, no?
primary.
Primary. Oh, primary colors.
Space on it.
Now, let's heat the cooking oil just enough to cook our eggs. While waiting for the oil, we need to coat the eggs with cornstarch.
First is the blue egg. Now the yellow ones, the igit ones.
So?
What? Because it's food.
Eggs in a cheese.
Kani. Qwek-Qwek.
For the final touch,
Pero kung isipin mo talaga siya, ano bang pinag-ugasan ko ng kanyang una ng babae ka, tapos dito sa pa.
Totoo po yun, sige ate. Pero sa case ito pa po ay hindi ko dahilan na i-depend ako po yung sarili ko. Wala po. Wala po akong tinatanong ko po yun. Kasi po, since 10 years na rin ang pambababae ko po, yung sinabi, ako doon, di pambababae ko kasi isa lang at dalawa lang naman po yun. Yung po yung pinarinig ko nila sa akin yung video.
presenting our Easter Sunday Qwek-Qwek.
Yung babae daw po. Nag-usap po kami kasi siyempre po ako sa Edward na ano naman.
And of course, your Qwek-Qwek experience will never be complete without the perfect, yummy sauce. For the ingredients of this sauce, we will show it in our video. So please continue to watch.
So, gisudan lagi na.
Okay, gamitin mo lang ka ay nito. Dili ni siya snacks para sa amo ron. Gabi naman amo ni sudan. Qwek-Qwek. Unsang pagkaon ang dali mo ron? Qwek-Qwek. Qwek-Qwek.
Kuanig kuan?
Ang sasod ang nagdalagida.
Alright, once again, happy Easter guys! Lami kaya itong Qwek-Qwek nga. Colorful kaayo, grabe. Lami kaya pagkabuhat nila ni Kati ug ni Eileen. So, kuan, padayon to sa itong videos. Please subscribe, please comment down below, and ring the bell for the notifications. Once again, this is our trip for today. I will see you next time. Back to you!